Biyake gima mwanchi omulirira wegeta sendi kya Ndizi TV niko cyaragire chinsa 10 ase biro bindengo kwaligani asemeza ya amaya ime Ndizi TV erindengo manyena rayanyere ko bakako korekana ku rukingongo chonsi chinsi chinga kecho niko toroche obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance wanyare ko abokoragwa no mukonyi bo murai wense ase chinsemo kiri cha Nairobi ase bagendete gukwanera abamenyi bensemeyo boyigonigo omurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta anyare ko bakagoika ase chinsemo kiri chia Seychelles mwanchi omulyereria ayona mange ngwera nanda segekegeke ngomanye ayina kwaliganira ko nderi eteriane Frida Kerubo nase chinsemo chibyorokerere ni utochikwa ko tukubwatira na Joshua Auta. Chinsemo cha Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bago chinsemo cha YouTube na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News chinsemo cha website na bagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke igo mwanchi omulirere karansoike erinde ngoerera gingo chaka kegima nigo omurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta anyare ko bakagokora etaro yayo gocha ase ense ya Seychelles niganyara ko bagakwaliganigo gocha ase enyombene ne yoborai no murai wense yo imanyekanite na wavelo wa makola ase anyade ko babago chikokwanera na kibara chikokora obara chikobwaterana ase obwamo irinde gokora obonchorelia ase chinsemecho boigo nigo bara chikonyara ko bakobeta essay asaganire banyara ko bakobwaterana na boigo ense ya Seychelles na boigo ense ya Kenya ase kwegenderelia na boigo koleta amagenderero egatiye chinsecho ibere. Ekiombe kia African Continental Free Trade Area bakoragwa no muriki omanene wa mkele mene nigo babwatiranye nebingi ya Equity abo ase omo CEO James Mwangi banyare ko babako bita ese yo gwancherana ase ogochigokora emirimo asobwamo.
This is a very momentous occasion for our Equity Group. It's an occasion that gives Equity an opportunity to partner with Africa Continental Free Trade Area Secretariat, the African Union and its all affiliate organizations to institutionalize one Africa, one African people and one African market.
It's the very first private institution that the AFCFTA is entering into an MOU with. And it's not just an MOU for the purpose of signing a document, but it is, as Dr. Mwangi said, it is an expression of an aligned vision and aligned objectives for what our continent should be doing, public sector and private sector.
Gotigana nayo mwanchi omuliyere ni gotokende masemo ase county ya Nairobi abo ase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance wanyare ko abogokora etaro yabo ase chinsemecho bakoragwa no mukonyi bo murai wense Dr. William Ruto niganyare ko bakagokwana nabamenye bensemeyo abo ase aerera gose ali eira nare yara chigokirani ekerara nyare ko bakagosoa ase obogambi boigo niganyare ko bakagoteba nigo abwate amagani amayagochia saba Kenya nigo arachikoreta amagenderero ki aranyare ko bagakoba umurai ogatano bwense.
Tunaunda serikali inaelewa lugha ya wananchi wa kawaida. na tumesema kwa mapenzi ya Mungu tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 tunabadilisha hii Kenya. Tumesema agenda yetu number 1, tunabadilisha gharama ya maisha, tunapunguza gharama ya maisha. Wananchi wengi wanalala njaa, wananchi wengi hawawezi kulipa chakula. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Ndio tumesema tunaweka pesa kwa kilimo, tusaidie wakulima wetu watuzalishie chakula, tupunguze gharama ya mbolea na mbegu, tuhakikisha kwamba ile mbolea saa hizi inauzwa shilingi 6,000, tuteremshe mpaka shilingi 2,000, ndio tuwawezeshe wakulima watuzalishie chakula ifike sokoni kwa bei nafuu, ili kila Mkenya aweze kulisha familia yake.
Chinga kichio nigo omoraibi kia magia Amani National Congress oyo manyikante una Musalia Mudavadi anyara ko bakago kwa enekeli abamenye bensemeyo nigo banyare ko bakobwaterana ase obwamo elinda ko enekibuna obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance banyare ko abokwenyorera obubuyi asobo choryo bonene bole bosyo nabo igo ko enekibuna amagendera anyare ko bagakwirana ase NCH ya Kenya okwana nabamenye ase chinsemo chiri chiage komba niganyare ko bagakobakirani na rayi aliye serikali ya Kenya Kwanza erachigoikirani ekero eranyareko bakegosoa ase obogambi.
Nilikuwa nimeenda safari kwa niaba ya Kenya Kwanza. Nilikuwa nimeenda kule Marekani kwa siku kadhaa. Nikaanza kusikia wengine wanaleta porojo ati sisi kama Kenya Kwanza hatuko pamoja. Nataka wajionee Hasla na timu yake tuko kitu kimoja, na mimi nilikuwa nimeenda kule kwa niaba yetu sisi wote.
Na tumesema watakuja kujua kazi ni kazi, wera ni wera. Na jambo la 3, tumesema lazima tupunguze gharama ya chakula vile nimesema, kwa kuwasaidia wakulima wetu.
Chinga ki siasa ya nyarire ko bagi kubwata nse ase abarwanireri bagendete gukora campaign cyabo abarayibe cikanisa aho nigo banyarire ko bagwesokia na gukwanira liberera lya siasa ya nyarire ko baliko enekigwa ase NCH ya Kenya bakoragwa no mu bishop w'ekanisa yege Catholic oyokoro kwa Dominic Kimengich nigo abaganiriye abakenya bonsi korandia omurembe anene mono chinga kechiga torigerereti obochoryo bonene.
Wito wangu ni kwamba tuwe na uchaguzi wa amani, kwamba sisi kama wana Kenya tuna wajibu wa kuhakikisha kwamba tunafanya hii uchaguzi kwa njia ambayo kweli itatuletea sifa kwa sababu tutakuwa tumefanya uchaguzi wetu kwa amani tukiwa kama taifa moja. Ukitazama hapa tuko na mapadi wetu ambao wamekuja hapa, na nia ya mkutano wetu pia ni kuangalia jinsi tutakavyoendelea kuombea amani, na tunapo mapadi wakiwa katika maparokia zao pia watakuwa wanaeneza injili ya amani, kwa sababu amani ni kipaji kutoka kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, na ndipo tumekuja kuomba, na pia ili sisi wenyewe tuweze kwenda kuwa wale ambao wanalete watu wetu na wasanya watu wetu ili wawe familia moja. Ndiyo
hingo genda ase orobotirundo mancho mulierera nigongo komanyubuna umurwaneri wekero kyobo governor imeye county ya Migori gwetera ekiamagia ODM yokoro kwa ajira ayako nigo bona nyare ko bakako gikeiria egekoro Kenya te bakego korekana ase chitia gasenya te ko bachiko ruto chingaki aliko bekerwa egutwa okwana nabariki bamangana niganyare ko bakagoteba einemerobere ya abana siasa au bakumurwania ge siasa ase abamerani bae banyare ko bakwamwa ko turubani omurembe chingaki aliko bekerwa egutwa.
The person we know who is responsible for this is one of the candidates for governor, and he is acting in concert. He is acting in collaboration with the other gubernatorial candidates. The young man or the young people who are used in this occasion, we have identified positively one of them. That person is a resident of Ogik here in Suna West, and we know where that person is.
Omuteneneri bwa manani gose rainforest oyo kurukwa Julius Ng'ang'a bono nigo anyareko bagakwe murungani ko bwatikana ne bikoro byanyareko bikwenekigwa ase emete yanyareko bageko butura sekerengo keigoro nabo igo gutumika buna chingo ase chikampuni chichi chae okwana nabariki bamangana niganyareko bagagosaba serikali gwesona nigati nabo igo gokonya chikampuni chicha ko reta chinchira chingao ase baganirwe gotatumika chingo nabo igo kweneki okonachwa emete kwanyareko bakogo kianigwa.
The challenges, of course, I think it's behavior change, communication. If you've been doing something in a particular way for so long, using wood fuel, why would you want to change? Currently, there's really no shortage per se, there's no crisis against wood fuel. So people are not really seeing the need for it on why they should have alternatives. But the more education that we are doing with our various partners, the change is coming as slowly as it is, but it's coming and change is coming. As much as they're talking about tea husbandry and for them to take care of their crop, 2 leaves and a bud, we want them to also to understand the use of or the importance of climate change regarding their tea business. So we've really been able to, through the project, investing in our field service and tea extension staff to understand climate change in relation to the tea business and why it's important for farmers to the transition now into briquette use, the tier 3, tier 4 improved cook stores.
Adoption obviously at household level is mainly on the cost of improved cooking stores. So I think, and this is where we probably need a lot of support, including government, if they could give subsidies so that more households can be able to buy the renewable energy facilities.
Ekiombe kia abanyagitari imeyense yetu ya Kenya nigo kiaganira ikiserikali chi county kobalika abanyagitari abange emirimo elinde kweneki obakoleri obuya ase chi county okwana ase ensemo ya Ileho county ya Kakamega chingaki chi umurobeli bokwena na obobweni abwabosa nabo igo nigo abateneneri bate babuna nerebuya gose nerebuya kweneki buna abarwaire banyareko bakoegwa amaliogo chingaki chi.
Sisi tunahakikisha ya kwamba tutaendelea kupanga na watu kama George, camp kama hizi tunawaletea madaktari wanawatibu, na nyinyi kazi yenu ni kuhakikisha kuwa serikali inawaandika hao madaktari na wahudumu wa afya, kuwalipa vyema na pia kuwaongeza katika waendelee katika training hapa.
As PSK, all we call for is proper policy placement and ensuring that the local manufacturers are able to produce the right amount of drugs with the right costs and with the right amounts. And people of Shinyalu, what we ask as PSK is for you to not only sit at home. Wacheni kukaa nyumbani ukingoja daktari, ukingoja mwili isikie vibaya. Mwili yako ni mashini ya Mungu. Enda anza kupimwa mapema.
We want every Kenyan to be able to access quality healthcare services without suffering catastrophic financial expenditure. And this can be done when we concentrate or when we focus on preventive medicine and when we focus on preventing diseases from preventing our people from getting.
Mwanche omurigereria korwa ase orobotiro nigo nekire omwelio bwa amaya senchirayo ase birebiga kurende ngo gusaba tobasa gusuka tobasa konyegera gikoraga ense yamo ya maragoba ayo na mange no yenyore ase enchirayo wikirano enda gutobwatia ase chinsemo chicha Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital chinsemo cha YouTube na bagotonyara Ndizi TV News chinsemo cha website na bagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke mwanche muri ngo koganiria oboligereria obuya eretariane Frida Kerubo na se chinsemo cha byorokerere tonyako kubaterana nere Joshua Outa magaye chikamera sokone kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire wekere asore asenchira engansu kegima no mosubati Petronila Mokeira.